Bro, what's up?
What's up, bro? How was your vacation?
Bro, don't even ask, man. People go on vacation and come back with souvenirs. I came back with sore hands, cracked heels, and a deep need for rescue.
Man, sounds like your hands and feet need therapy. Why don't you get a manicure and pedicure?
A manicure and pedicure? Come on, bro, that's not really my thing.
But, bro, your hands and feet need that.
Ah, you're right. And I know exactly where I need to be. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to Truefitt Hill, sir, the world's oldest barber shop. How may I assist you?
I have an appointment for manicure pedicure today, I guess. Can you please check?
Yes. Yes, sir. We are ready to serve you this time.
Thank you so much. This is why I love Truefitt Hill. They offer more than just a service, they deliver a royal experience. Gentlemen, your hands and feet deserve better. Take care of your hygiene and remember, confidence begins with comfort. And Truefitt Hill makes it effortlessly yours. तुमने मुझे डरा दी ना तब